Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more full-fledged problem related to income from salary. Mr. Karthik Subramanya is a resident and is a company employee who is also director in the employer's company. He gets the following emoluments during previous year 22-23. So his basic salary is 6,000 per month and it is increased to 8,000 per month from 1st January. So from April to December, he's getting 6,000. From January, that is January, February, March, 3 months, he's getting 8,000. So see here, that is what I have written. For 9 months, that is April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 9 months, he's getting 6,000 per month salary. From January, the salary has been increased to 8,000. So Jan, Feb, and March, 3 months, he's getting 8,000 salary. So his total basic salary will be 78,000. Next, DNS allowance was given 4,000 per month, but only the 50% will enter into retirement benefits. So total 4,000 and that 50% will enter into retirement benefits. So 4,000 into 12 will be 48,000. This 50% we'll consider when calculating this gratuity and other these things and all. But computing gross salary, the complete thing will be taken. Next, child education allowance 400 per month per child for his 3 children. So the company was giving 400 rupees as what do you say, the education allowance for 3 children. But according to IT law, income tax law, only for 2 children, 100 rupees per child will be given as education allowances. So total the company gave him 400 per month into 3 children for 12 months. That is 4,400. But you will get the exemption according to IT law, that is 100 rupees for 2 children and 12 months. So 2,400 exemption will be given. Remaining taxable educational allowances 12,000. Next, medical allowance they have given 600 per month. Medical expenses is 800 per month. But anyway, allowance whatever they have given it is 600 per month. So that has to be taxed. So medical allowance it is 600 per month into 12 months. That is 7,200. Next, up to 31st October means from April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 7 months he was provided a furnished flat at Delhi. So Delhi is a state where population is more than what do you say 25 lakhs, as well as it falls under 50% category. You should remember that. The rent paid by the employer is 700 per month. The cost of furniture provided is 15 plus 15,000. So as it is a Delhi, the population is more than 25 lakhs. So you should consider 15% of salary. So we have to calculate RFA here. So for the purpose of RFA, you will consider everything. Okay, I will consider everything. So first is basic pay, that is 6,000 per month into 7 months, plus it will be 600 per month into 7 months. So why this 600 came here? That is the all, I'll show it here. Check here. For first 9 months, it is till December, it is 6,000 per month. But he is staying in that house only till October. So it is 6,000 per month only. Next, 600 rupees medical allowance is getting, that we have to consider. So 600 into 7 months, that is medical allowance, plus he is getting transfer allowance. So he is even getting transfer allowance that we will consider later on. But I'll just take it now for the calculation of RFA. 3,800 is taxable, plus hostel allowance also is there. 300 per month into 7. Hostel allowance also he has. Next, so how that hostel allowance came is, see here, total hostel allowance, whatever here question we will read. He gets hostel allowance for his son of 300 per month, but son does not stay in hostel. Okay, so his son is not staying in hostel. So when he is not staying in hostel, he doesn't get any deduction. So basically, we take full amount. So he is not getting any exemption. So 300 into 7 is the hostel allowances. Okay, that how we got is what they have given in the bracket. Next, 4,000 per month into 7 into 50%. This is the DA. So total 4,000 per month DA is receiving, and for 7 months we are calculating, and 50% of the DA enters into retirement benefits. So when you add everything, you get 73,100 rupees. So 15% of that we will consider. 15% of that is 10,965. The rent paid in question, they have given that he is paying 7,000 per month rent. He is staying for 7 months, so the rent paid 7,000 into 7 months, it is 49,000. Out of these two, whichever is lesser, 10,965 is lesser, that we will consider. Next, they have purchased the furniture of 15,000 rupees. So we need to add the 10% of the cost of furniture, that is 1,500. Then there is no hiring charges, and they have not deducted any amount from the employee salary, so both will be nil. So add 10,965 plus 1,500, you will get 12,465. That is your taxable RFA, 12,465 plus HRA. HRA is house rent allowance. So let us check here. Yes. So he was given HRA of 7,000 per month. The rent paid by Karthik is 5,000 per month. So with effect from 1 level 2022. So for 5 months he has got HRA then. November, December, Jan, Feb and March. 5 months. So 7,000 per month he has got the HRA into 5 months, that is 35,000. So least of the following is exempted. Three exemptions you have. Actual HRA received, that is 35,000. Next, we have found out that excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. So we have to consider basic salary, that is 6,000 per month into 2. 6,000 into 2 plus 8,000 into 3. So how this came, the basic salary, it is again from November he's been given house rent allowance. So November and December 2 months he's getting 6,000 as basic pay. Jan, Feb and March he's getting 8,000 rupees as basic pay plus 4,000 into 5 into 50%. That is the DA. Total 4,000 DA is getting 5%, sorry, 5 months we are calculating because HRA has got only 5 months, into 50% enters into retirement benefits. So 36 plus 10,000 is 46,000. So 46,000 is the salary he has got. We need to find out the 10% of the salary. So 46,000 into 10% is 4,600. So total rent paid him by him is 5,000 per month into 5 months. So 25,000 per month minus 4,600 will be 20,400. Next, since he resides in Delhi, he falls under 50% bracket. So 46,000 into 50% is 23,000. Out of these three, least of the following is exempted. The least is 20,400. So 35,000 minus 20,400 is 14,600. That is what it is exempted. So this is taxable HRA. I will write it here. Next, he has got leave LTC, means leave travel concession. So usually the IT rules, the exemption will be given only for economy class fare. Some people will go in business class fare, so they have to put on the extra money. But exemption will be given only for the economy class fare. Totally has got 58,770 as LTC, leave travel concession. So business class fare is 24,000. He will not give an exemption for that. And other expenses also will not be given exemption. Only for the economy class airfare, that is 13,640 will be given as exemption. So 58,750 minus 13,640 will give you 45,130. That is the LTC. Next, income tax penalty paid by the employer. So actually, employer should have paid. Okay, employer paid on behalf of the employee. Again, that we have to consider. Plus club facility, 2,000 rupees. Both we have to consider. 2,000 plus 2,000. We will be taxing it. Next, transfer allowance. So he got a transfer allowance of 14,000. So the actual expenses was 10,200. Only till the actual expenses the exemption will be given. So 14,000 minus 10,200 will be taxable. So 14,000 minus 10,200 is 3,800. Next, hostel allowances. As I told you that his son is not staying in hostel. So whatever the allowance he has got, there is no exemption for that. So it will be completely taxable. When you add everything, you will get 2,88,795. For that, he'll get deductions under section 16. So only standard deduction will be given 50,000. So 2,28,795 minus 50,000 if you do, the remaining amount 1,78,795 will be taxable. So this is how we need to solve the problem. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts and queries in the comment box. I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next